let's make a cocktail. It's time for the open. Open this year is at Royal Troon. There is a bar at Royal Troon called Rabbit and Seal. So I was checking out their cocktail menu to see if we can make or recreate a cocktail that they would serve on site. So there's a cocktail called the Burmah that caught my attention. It's like a mango riff on a daiquiri. So I reached out to them to help get the specs. They responded. Thank you so much. Shout out Rabbit and Seal. So we're gonna make it here. What the drink calls for is Dead Man's Fingers mango spiced rum. It is very difficult to get here in the States, so I couldn't get it, obviously, so I made it. Very easy to make. So basically what I did is I kind of did like 5 parts rum, 1 part dried mango, put it in a mason jar, shook it up for like 3 days, right? Put it in the jar for 3 days, shake it up every now and then, strain it, and you get something like this. Apologies for the container, but that's what I had. So I chose Captain Morgan because it needs vanilla notes. And this is cheap. We're infusing it, right? You don't want to get something expensive. Not that there is such thing as expensive spiced rum. Not that I know of. So go with Captain Morgan. Get any kind of freeze-dried or dried mango that you can, and just combine them. 5 to 1, or like a handful to like a couple big glugs. It doesn't really matter. Just do your best, and then you'll get your mango-infused spiced rum, main ingredient in the cocktail. Other than that, it's pretty much a straight-up daiquiri recipe. So to start, we are going to do about a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. The only simple syrup I have right now is Demerara, which is fine. Any simple should do. So we're gonna go 1/4 ounce there. We're gonna do a full ounce of lime juice. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of our mango infused spiced rum. And that's it. You shake that up and you serve it. So let's shake real quick. And then I'm gonna grab us a coupe from the freezer. Freezer. All right, don't be a poop, freezer coupe, thirsty well. There you go, you got a daiquiri. If you're in the States, I don't know what time you'll be watching this tournament. Might be early in the morning, might be late at night, might be catching highlights during the day. Either way, it might be warm. Daiquiri is gonna be perfect, day or night. Oh, God. Delicious. Rabbit and Seal, thank you so much. The Open, Royal Troon, let's enjoy.